not leaving it in the middle of the yard.
Yeah, I'll bring it up here. So this thing doesn't even, you don't even have to switch it out of, you don't have to do anything to roll it.
Nope.
Huh.
So shaft driven, hydrostatic. Ryan, which do you choose?
That one.
Shaft driven. Louis?
Yeah, it's not shaft, it's just, it's got gears. That's hydrostatic, that has gears.
Okay, sorry, I was wrong. I made the assumption that anything with gears was shaft driven, which I know better because some have chains. I'm thinking four-wheelers here and not tractors.
This is belt.
Belt driven.
This one's even got better tires, Ryan.
Yeah, and yeah, look at this. The front end, there's something horribly loose on the front end. Like it's so
I can see it.
It's very
She's a
far
little
up.
cockeyed.
We can use those spindles on your go-kart.
Absolutely. This will be the parts one.
So
What a major twist.
what you
Hey, that's a spare
explain
engine.
what exactly what you guys want to do with this. So
This one's gonna get cannibalized for go-kart building purposes.
Yeah, front end
And-
steering.
and
also
speedster tractor purposes,
That
right?
one is that's gonna get a pulley swap done to it, and hopefully achieve 40 mile an hour. We're gonna try.
I'm a hope for 30 to 40.
Yeah. Spare engine for that. This is gonna cough up spindles, steering column, and shaft.
It already cocked up a seat.
It already coughed up a seat for that. What do you think for your $100 purchase?
I think it was worth it.
No, 50 and 50, so
50
two
and
for $100.
You can't beat it.
Two running tractors
You can't
for
beat
$100.
You can't beat it.
I mean,
should have done it.
This one was, this one was just about mowing lawns before we decided to.
It was mowing lawns. What are you talking about? We did mow the lawn.
I know.
A little bit.
Okay, so we're going to be, okay, so here at Frankenstein's Garage. Yeah?
We are going to be.
I don't know how to do this.
That's all right.
You do it. Here, come here. Louis wants to do go-karts.
We're gonna start building go-karts.
Yes.
Yeah. It's gonna happen.
And Ryan's going to build a go-kart. And the track out back, which we use as a derby pit, is getting flattened, cleaned up.
Still gonna use it as a derby.
After they do some, Louis is going to build me a go-kart.
Yeah.
Everything.
We're gonna build a good go-kart track out back. Come look at the dirt we got. We're gonna get more.
Oh, babe, where's the battery for the old Chevy?
It's right there.
Mm-hmm. Remember?
Yeah.
Remember?
Go over top of it. Yeah. Oh,
So this is like...
yeah. We got all this free dirt from work.
Get up there, Ryan.
No, Nathan was already up here. My nephew, the one Ryan bought the mowers from. And we're gonna shove all this dirt around. This is all gonna be opened up.
Yep, cleaned up, opened up. Well! Oh. And the hoopty wagon's gonna get worked on, which if you saw our last previous video, whoa, this dirt's like crumbling, babe.
Yeah, it is. Get up here, Will. Get up here, Will.
Dirt demon.
He is.
Here. Yeah, I know. You guys got boots.
What are you doing? What are you doing, boy? What are you doing, boy? He went right into the camera. Willie.
Yep, and the dirtiest water.
And the bird dog. Get up here. Get up here, bird dog. He's an old boy.
He got ham bumps for supper. That's not good. You got good taste. No.
Diameter shaft that goes on that. If you was to put that pulley on that, and we could actually do that and just buy me a new pulley for this one.
So all I really need to buy is pulley belt back. Pulley belt that size.
This one will slide on that shaft in there. Put the snap ring back on.
What is that? What is that?
Make that fast. That would actually be like a 2-to-1 setup. This is smaller than the drive pulley on that motor.
Anyone want decent tires and aluminum rims for an 02 Jeep Grand Cherokee? Because
That's right. $200. That's yours.
Yep.
$200. I don't care. $200.
I have them listed. Okay.
I don't care what you have them
I'll
listed
drop
for.
the price then. That's fine.
$200. They're yours.
Look. Look at the tread on these beasts. I mean, I don't have a penny on me, but look.
$200. They're gone.
Dog approved. He's only peed on them like 3 times. You're good.
That's the size pulley you need.
Right.
Maybe a little bit bigger than that, because that would actually be like wicked fast if you put that on there.
I don't care. It's got 6 gears.
Yeah.
And Grandma's gonna be like, what? What's happening?
Oh, we're gonna take the drive valve off. Ready, Ryan?
Yep.
Hopefully we don't lose any oil.
It's mower.
Well, you were told to lay down. You're getting yourself into trouble.
Anyway.
Babe, he's gonna run off because they're shooting big cannons up there.
Try and hurry up and get this off there. Probably lose the gas.
It's okay. It's okay. You'll get supper. Don't I give you good supper, don't worry.
That pulley is off of this. Go ahead and pull that off. Pull on this one. Get it out of there.
Ow.
Now, which one are we stuck
I'm
on?
right up over you, okay?
There we go. Got another one
Got it.
right there, but there's a different one down there. Oh, I smell gas.
I can't get in there with your...
Oh, where is it? Right there. If I shove in on the clutch, here.
Hold on, I
Let's
can help
flip it back
too.
over. Let's flip it back over. Okay. Now, missing gas everywhere. So this is the one we need.
She's wrapped around... Hold on. Oh, it reeks.
I love that.
I don't. You do your own laundry.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't love it in my washing machine. I don't like my kids' school clothes smell like gasoline because I washed his clothes.
I didn't really get it on me.
Now we need to drive valve off that, but here in a minute. This is the one that's going to make that one work because it's short. Yes, it's shorter. All right, let's get that pulley off there.
These fucking parts.
Croyle
Croyle.
All right, pull up on it again, Ryan.
gets the job done.
Okay. Grab hold. Ready? Let's go.
Got it.
Ryan, are you accumulating those juice boxes in your pocket?
Yes.
Let's get rid of all the gobbledygook. The Mickey Mouse bullshit. All this gobbledygook. Mickey Mouse bullshit.
I'm sick of all this.
I'm sick of it. I'm sick of all of it.
Mickey Mouse.
He's accumulating all these trucks. I'm sick of all of his gobbledygook and his Mickey Mouse bullshit.
That came from that truck down there.
When I
Part of that truck down there.
Okay, quick side story. I went to go buy that truck. Okay, parts up to it, the whole parts truck. The dad comes out. He's pissed because his son's accumulated all these trucks, right? He comes up to me and he's like, I'm so fucking mad about this kid. I'm so sick of all of his gobbledygook and his Mickey Mouse bullshit and collecting all these trucks.
So he was super happy to get rid of. That's about a half of what that truck is what we used.
Yeah?
Okay.
Oh my god, this is probably gonna happen quick then.
You have like 50 seconds.
Alright. We gotta switch belts and we gotta take the pulley off my air compressor.
What?
We do.
Oh, good lord. I've got dinner cooking. I don't have time for this Mickey Mouse bullshit.
This is gonna rip and roar.
Okay.
If I can get going down the road here tonight, I will. Gladly.
Get over here by my...
Oh, wait, well, our battery's still problem still.
We'll get her going.
It'll go. Louie's got... He's got means. He'll figure it out, Ryan. Don't worry.
And we could
I
always.
got tricks of the trade.
I can't get over there. I'm in your way if I do.
Only slightly. All right.
Okay, you've got.
Now that
You've got 9
that belt's
seconds.
out. 9 seconds. You better get rid of some other videos.
3.
Right, but you got to go and get a small pulley that fits
Juice box?
that shaft. You know what I'm saying?
Beer?
Oh yeah. If
Uh,
you do that,
dude.
then you really don't even have to monkey with that pulley.
Yeah.
You just have to get a different size belt.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? He's eating grass.
No, I know. I'm just saying. Neighbors are over there talking to the other neighbors, and I just don't want him being him sometimes.
I know.
What are you doing with this god awful noise?
Well, not wanting to go on. It's going, but slowly.
It's supper time at Frankenstein's garage. So you're knocking. You want to knock the. Tell me what you're doing.
Trying to
'cause I
put this
honestly don't
dinky
know.
ass pulley on there, so
Your dog is begging hardcore right now.
I'd use my compressor, but it no longer has a pulley on it. So
Because you put it on. Where did you put it? Where's it
Right
going?
there.
This is it?
yeah, yeah.
Oh boy. I've missed a lot.
Yes.
Sorry.
Hold on.
Put me up to speed, babe.
Well, I need a different pulley.
Ryan, put me up. Never mind. You got food in your mouth. You talked to Louie. So put me up to speed. What's happening?
Hold on. Don't film this mess.
No, I will.
No, do not.
Louis has attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and organizing is not his best asset.
Got a little bit on there better.
You did?
Like moved it.
Oh, you did.
Moved a bit.
Yeah.
There, put the lid on. Does that help?
A little bit.
Well, it's what I can do, unless you want to smash your phone with the camera.
No.
With the hammer. Shout out to Ryan's Pontiac over there. She's a tickin'.
Damn.
Oh, fucking hell. Damn.
It just went a mile. I think it did.
It did.
Oh yeah, it did.
You got a pool there, so you can't tell.
It's got to go more. Oh, it just went more. Might be able to get the snap ring on now.
Good boy, Will. You do realize the food you're begging for is literally stuck to your nose, right?
Okay, I think we can get the snap ring on now. So that should be, yes it is, it's in here.
Is this the
The shorter of the two belts. Oh! Let them know that I was right, Ryan.
we hope
Ooh,
so.
what?
Show them that how I was right.
Oh,
Okay,
the
so
belt.
Louis was right about things that he's right about.
Somehow we ended up with the same tractor but 2 different belt sizes.
Yeah, one's wet's way longer.
Way longer. Let's go. Hoping this will work.
Well, don't look at my butt.
I will if I want to. You have to get used to that. Isn't that what he said to me? Recording me. Get used to it.
Well,
Meow.
I'm gonna have to crawl into this thing and get this thing.
Yeah, I would go under it, but there's just, I'm not doing it.
I don't really want to tip over the good one.
oh,
Oh, sorry, Bill, I stepped on your foot. We got a man down. We got a man down.
damn. I don't have the right size snap ring pliers for this.
Is that light helping? Or
No, not at all. The phone in general right there is not helping.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
You told me to record.
Yes, Susan, I know. Here we go. Oh.
I think you're gonna be dead right.
Really?
Yeah, I think you are. Too.
Hold on a minute with that.
Because you go from the bottom one, right? Like
No, top one.
But can you?
No.
Why not?
Hold on, hold on.
You sure?
Yeah. All right, hon. You're gonna have to move.
Okay. Let me get under here. What are you doing?
I'm wondering if you can instead of having it be on the top, like you normally would, put it on the bottom because it's only a few inches lower, and maybe we can get the belt to go up.
Isn't one for
The mower deck.
yeah,
Oh.
and
that-
then the other one's for the drive.
At different elevations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't want it, right? Is that right? One's for the mower, one's for the drive. You don't want. Okay.
Willie!
Listen, I'm an ignorant woman.
Willie!
Fucking dog.
Willie!
Let me get under here and see if I can get you from fucking balls under here. This is way worse than trying to get under a car, babe.
There he is.
Yep, there he is. He's gonna go. There.
There, I got it. Yes. I did. Okay.
All right.
Now.
Oh, now I have to get back up there?
Now, let me see this, Ryan. Let me get
You want to get up there? I was just wondering because it's a bigger pulley on the bottom.
I know, but that's not aligned with the back pulley.
That is a major thing.
Yeah.
You gotta have okay.
Press the clutch.
I got it with my hand. Is that okay? That's as far as I can do it with my arm. Is that okay?
Uh-huh. Hold on.
Oh.
Gotta get it over that. Okay, get it over that pulley.
Oh, it's gonna be tight.
Hold on. It may not.
I'm literally pushing it with my strength.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry.
get it over that.
On the pulley now.
Let loose of the clutch.
Slowly?
All the way.
Just let it go.
Give it the gusto.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Perfect.
Did it go? Did it go?
Yeah. It did.
This was a three-man job.
Be kidding.
It was a two-man, one-woman job at this point.
Now,
Hold on, let me see that. Now, it doesn't have the best tension, Ryan, but it probably will work.
yeah, it'll probably work regardless.
Here, let me see it from here.
It don't have the best tension on it, but hold on.
I don't see why that
a
wouldn't
bungee
work.
cord might fix that. A bungee
A
cord.
bungee
might,
cord
yeah.
for what?
Pull
You
on
want me to get one of the
clutch spring.
colorful ones from the
Oh
top?
my gosh. A little more tension, so that way it's just a little
here,
harder
just
on the
record
clutch.
record it. It's still recording. Ugh. It's a hard knock life here, Ryan. For fuck's sakes. You're gonna need this
Okay,
again.
so it's a slightly less big pulley than what was on the hydrostatic one. So we're just gonna add more tension strength to the clutch spring.
You might need your help. Here are these, there's a extension and the,
If we can. I don't know if we can.
I can
I don't think we
I can run the clutch if you need me to.
It's already fully
Pretty
extended.
tight.
So let's just see what happens.
Here we go. Let me get the tools out of the way.
Okay.
It's your mower, but
I get
let me
it.
see what happens. Because if the clutch starts burning, I will stop.
I would
gonna
get it.
go
I would,
fast.
I would get it.
This fucking thing's gonna fly.
Yeah, babe, can we not have it so you're gonna crash into like the
Right
compressor?
on the road first.
No. I'll start off and first.
Okay.
Oh my god. Let's jump it. Let's jump it. Holy fuck.
Wait, babe, your dog's gonna chase you.
He's
Can
fine,
we? No.
he's fine.
Okay.
Now.
Oh, here is Dr. Frankenstein.
Oh.
I'm
like
sure.
an
Surprised you're
hour?
not cackling.
This took maybe like an hour
Yeah.
to do. Okay, in 1 hour, we may have
A pulley slot.
a pulley slot mower.
Well, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, he turned his hat around. When he turns his hat around, that means business, Ryan. Well, he's riding off into the sunset at this point with his noble dog. Here, you can record his ass because I am. He's gonna turn around at the gun club and probably blast through. If I know anything about that man, that's what he's gonna do. Okay? Yep, there he
We need more pulley tension. It's not gripping the pulley very good.
Okay.
But it's fast.
So it's slipping is the problem.
It's slipping, but it's fast. Yeah, that belt's pretty warm. We need a point where I would very much. We have pulleys.
There's something seriously wrong with the two of you.
Okay.
Okay.
What is it, babe?
Quite possibly I can switch this around. If I switch that around.
You could tell it was slipping though, and that was
Oh, it was
stopping you
slipping.
from going as fast.
Yes. But I think if we add a bigger idler pulley. Or just another tension.
Do you need me to push the clutch, babe?
No.
It's moving right now.
I know, this pulley's warm. We just need to add, oh my god. If we add another one right there, another tensioner pulley, get rid of this fucking garbage. Fuck that is.
Calm down.
Garbage. We need to drill a hole right here. Right here we need to drill a hole. And add another pulley. Yes. We
Where
need
are
to
the
do
drill bits at, babe?
that. Hold on. First off, Ryan, get the mower deck off that.
I'll get the whole thing off.
Yep.
All right, what do you want me to
We need
do?
a tensioner pulley off it. Nothing yet. We just need to add a tension pulley. I'm going to drill a hole.
I think Ryan's regretting.
I'm not.
Oh, okay. I'm grateful because if it wasn't you, it'd be me. And yeah.
Okay, let me drill a pilot hole. I don't think you need that.
Well, I know. I'm just so that way I can get under it and figure out what's there.
Do I have permission to drill a hole in your mower?
Yeah, that's fine. As long as you think it works.
Or go to the fence. Let me see if that is where I want it. Precisely.
Is that? It's pretty small. You have to bore it out?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a bigger bit? Ryan's calling in the waterfowl. That's what it sounds like. Do you need help? No, it needs back farther, but I can help. Okay. That's not secure, dude. I wouldn't get under there.
I ain't getting under it. I'm just dropping the deck. That's all I need is those two.
hanging them by a thread.
I'm working on 2 different options right now, Ryan. Yeah, that's for the motor mount. Okay, so we can't do that.
I can't get under this because it's so small.
I know. Alright, definitely another idler pulley would be the answer.
Okay.
No, swapping that around in the future would make it go even faster. But we're not concerned about that right now.
I think Ryan wants it to go faster now. Right?
I need different size drill bit.
You got it? Is it coming loose?
Yeah, I just need something. I just need slightly bigger.
This whole deal will just come off.
I'll waller her out. What do you need, Ryan?
I just need it slightly bigger. Suck it. Maybe I didn't. There's just definitely a lot more.
Willie!
Yeah, that's where it needs to be.
Willie!
But I have no way of.
Willie!
I should find a wrench.
Willie!
Well, I mean, like, okay, I'm not gonna say anything. Babe,
Yeah.
don't you take a pin out of this mower deck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I don't want to say anything wrong, but I'm pretty sure I see the problem. Ryan, we gotta take this pin out.
Willie!
You gotta take a pin out of this mower deck.
You can just drop it with a pin.
Willie!
Well, not just, but you do have, there's right here. It's right here. It's like right.
Get over here.
There's a pin here.
Oh.
And I'm here if you want to do that. That is one thing, that is a step that needs done.
Okay.
Now, I don't know if it's in chronological order of the way Louis does it, but you see
Oh,
it.
the cotter
There's
pin. I can
yeah.
get that. Let me just grab that.
Hey, what? Willie?
Babe, come here.
Hang on just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I just need a pry bar for that, or even just a wrench. Either one should probably work just fine. Get her out of there. Yeah, wrench me.
Alright, so then it's connected.
Oh, that I don't need to take care of. I don't need to get rid of that at all.
No.
Or do I? No, I don't.
No.
That's to get the
pin.
sidewall.
You have to go through, I believe it's right, is it here?
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
Gotta push that in.
That's the,
Willie!
well, I've only done this with Louis a couple of times.
I see
but-
exactly what you're saying. Yeah, you gotta
Okay.
get that.
And that should disconnect the entire little thing. I'm putting this cotter pin in the cup holder of this, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I don't plan on using the mower deck, so that just might be a gift for Louis.
Well, you guys tried it. It worked, didn't it?
What?
The mower deck.
Yeah, it's really operational, but it's I wouldn't sell it to anybody. It's barely in fair condition, I'd say. It's a bit rusty.
Just be careful because that is literally hanging on a thread with the jack. There's Ryan. There's another cotter pin on this side.
Is there?
Yeah.
I need to find that. I'm just trying to
Find a way to get it.
Babe. Well, I'm recording your friend doing this shit. Right here's another cotter pin. It's, okay. I mean, like I said, I've only seen Louis do this a couple times, but I'm pretty sure you have to release these cotter pins. And there's one. Ryan, come, quit fucking with that real quick. I'm sorry. I think you have to get this cotter pin out, and I can't. Right here. You're gonna definitely need that. And I might need to lift up on the other side to release tension. Do you see that cotter pin?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You're getting it. Oh. She flew somewhere.
Oh, right behind the mower.
Okay, found it. Found it.
I just gotta get that thing off there. This is what I was trying to do over there.
Yeah, you just spread the... You need to separate that from that. Oh, there you go.
That'll be easier to do.
This cotter pen is also going in the cup holder.
Yeah, be careful. This is gonna drop when I do this.
Yeah, that's why I'm way back here, man. You think I haven't done this before? Louis scares the shit out of me. Okay, right now we have, yeah. You're separating those two, that rusty ass shit. Do you want a bigger pry bar? Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Now I just need to uncouple that cotter pin right there.
Perfect. Like, oh, fucking balls. Where's it at?
Over there.
He's in there just digging around for fucking... He's on a mission. She's just kind of like rusted right into that shit. Do you know how to hammer or something?
Yeah,
or like,
I can just hammer it out.
yeah, just kind of loosen it up at least. There you go. The pliers will work now. It's just, it was so rusted. I know the mosquitoes are freaking horrible, man.
No, now I can just use the wrench to quite literally wrench it out, hopefully.
It's rusted. Oh, it's okay. It hit me, but it's somewhere here.
All three cotter
I
pins
have
out.
another
It's
cotter
dropped
pin.
now.
So,
Oh, there it is. There's his Buddha.
Teetering off the jack.
that's alright.
Babe, you literally, okay.
Louis, I still gotta disconnect it from more places.
Cotter pins in the thing.
I still need to disconnect
Yep.
from places.
And as soon as
Dang.
you do that, then we need that pulley right there.
This thing really likes cotter pins. One's out.
Got it?
Here. No, I have been putting them all in the cup holder.
Yeah. Yeah, do that.
That's what I've been
Great
doing,
idea.
babe.
Great idea. Tap that out.
Louis, it's quite literally just precariously hanging.
Yeah, it is. Don't put your head under there because I was...
Take this cotter pin out.
Oh, okay.
Okay. He's working
get it?
on it.
You're
Willie,
gonna get-
you're drooling on my head,
He's
dude.
excited too.
No, he's not.
Yes,
he just
he
knows
is.
Mom is going to give him freaking good food.
Got
Okay.
it.
Here, give me that then. If you can reach under there. It's
Slide-
going to get lost.
Leave
Please,
that
I
cotter
see
pin's
it.
junk.
Yeah, I bent it.
Okay.
I need this. I need
Get
this.
that out so I can lower
Let me
this
get this shit out of the way.
hammer down.
Oh, sorry, babe. I'm just trying to get these tools out of the way.
I'm not sure which one I want yet. This one.
Can you get it out of there?
Yeah, I just need to. That far. Where's my impact with the 9/16?
I don't think it's 9/16.
That's 5/8.
Where's the?
I don't know where the 9/16 is.
Okay, let me have the 9/16. 9/16.
9/16.
Here, set that up there, Ryan. There you go.
So, we need
Oh, he
this
makes it look easy, and we just went through all that bullshit.
That has a bearing on it. We may, in fact, need that bolt. Even though I just went through the hassle of finding the other one. But so we may need that one.
Just put the pieces.
I might not need it though. Let me see.
These are gonna fall off.
That's one lower too, so same clear.
Yeah, because look, this was just barely hanging by a thread. That was dangerous.
There we go.
Here, shake hands with danger.
Shake hands with danger.
Oh, now it's standing up. The two posts in the front.
What are you doing over here now, Beb?
Well,
Now that we took care of that business.
how that you took care of that,
No, it was a team effort, I believe. It was
we
me
got to
telling him what to do.
add this here. Let's see what that does. Be ready to put that nut on if I say.
Which one?
Hold on, need a longer bolt. Need a longer bolt and a spacer.
Okay.
I will find that. Hold on.
I know there's some in that one coffee
Yeah.
can, but I didn't
Just a
label
sec,
the coffee can.
just a sec. I got just the one.
Let's record him doing his little thing that he does. Look at him run.
This one. And we're going to have to add some spacers.
I can get
So,
stuff. Tell me
this-
what you need.
I know what I need, and it's easier just for me to grab it.
Babe, do you just have a bunch of beers you haven't drank around here?
Yeah. Try 2 spacers. See what happens.
Get up.
Oh,
Yep.
fucking beautiful. Okay, so I need 2 more of those nuts and another washer.
There's one nut there.
No, not those ones. This is just
I
for
like what it
testing.
looks like.
Just like just like cars and cameras say, it's just for testing purposes. Where's my impact?
Your impactor.
Over there. Hey, come.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is gonna work. Here, see that? Where's that 9/16 wrench at? 9/16 wrench?
9/16 wrench.
Wrench that you use to hold the other side? Yes.
I couldn't read it. It was covered in black. I'll help him.
Oh my god, yes.
Really that fast?
Just add
Wait,
it.
isn't that rubbing against that piece of metal now, though?
Nope.
Are you sure?
A little bit, but that won't hurt. That's the back side of it.
That's not gonna cause any.
Nope. Damn it. that. Ryan, you want to grab that stuff? Okay. Now that is tight. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, get that 9/16.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Yep. Take all this stuff and pile it on that mower. We're ready for test number 2.
Let's not put it on the mower.
Holy crap, that's hot.
Yeah.
Just put it in the cup holder.
Take that over there. We are ready for test number 2.
Just toss it.
Actually burning. I gotta start my car.
Takes more clutch tension to get parking brake on now. May not have a clutch now.
Turning around the club. Don't be fucking dumb, Lewis. Oh my god. Oh boy. It's bound to piss some neighbors off now.
It does go fast. Give her all the way. Uh-oh. There you go. You gotta work into it. It goes fast. But I think if we swap the front pulley around to the bigger one on the motor, it would go even faster.
I don't know. Does it need to go faster?
It goes pretty quick.
But does it? Because
I don't
that's
think so.
faster than the speed.
What do you think, Ian?
Hi.
There he is, the angry neighbor. He's just the neighbor now.
The irate neighbor.
Yeah.
Right into the mud?
Yeah.
They just,
We did a pulley swap on that
they
tractor.
skedaddled that tractor.
Yeah, we did. Oh, and if we bypass the governor on it, it will go yet even faster.
How's your Pontiac?
That's Ryan's.
Yeah. Oh, did you get the compressor to start?
The what?
Were you able to get the compressor to start?
Yeah. Look at that thing. It goes fast.
Oh, yeah.
We need to put the different tires in the back. It goes pretty good. Yeah, we did it. We took the dinky pulley off the compressor and added it on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. He's happy. Need to add some air in that tire.